Okay, back with coasters again, everybody. I'm using my folk art paints I told you about in my first coaster video. I don't know if it's coming into focus. This is baby pink. These greens are patina and aqua flash. It's kind of a color shift, the aqua flash is. And then this is Martha Stewart silver metallic. And I did water them down from the last video. Oh, I said I know what I was going to do. I was going to do a flip cup on these, so I'm going to start layering them. It's got water in it from where I used the water. Let me dry that out. Oh, did I not? Yeah, I watered that down. I'm just losing my mind here, people. I don't know if I should go in a specific pattern. I'm just gonna put them in there. I don't think I'm gonna put any white this time. I don't know. Wonder if that would be enough to do a flip cup. I think it will be, so let's just see. Oh, that did not work out. Did not work. Well, like I have said before to people and on post, I am not the mixer of colors, so yeah. Not pretty. Well, that helped some. I don't really know. I believe it was all that silver. I wasn't going to blow on these, but oh, I don't know. That silver's got to go. It was not good. Let's see if I can save this. Oh, I gotta be careful. I'm gonna have it all over my shirt, dripping on myself. Yuck. I guess I could just stop and start over. I don't know. I've got to wash my hands, people. Come back and torch it, and I don't know about it. I don't know about that whatsoever. Come on, Bubbles. See, right there, pop. I don't know, people. I don't know. It's definitely all around the sides this time, I believe. It definitely helped thinning out my paint. Yeah, that silver has got to go. Not going to be doing that one anymore. Move this over here. Well, I don't know. I don't know, folks. I don't know what to do. Maybe. Let me rinse this out, get the silver out. Well, let me do this. That way it'll have some silver in it. Yeah, definitely muddies it. Don't like that. Don't like it. Don't like that. And I don't know if it's because it's with the pink. Because I'm not an artsy person. I don't know all the techniques of mixing the colors. Maybe it's just the pink and the green together. Ooh, that could be. Is that what it is, people? Somebody tell me. Is that what it is? Well, I guess I'm going to put a dab of white in this one. But then the other one won't have white in it. I don't know, people. I don't want to make them all like this if they're going to be ugly. You know? You agree? I don't know. I may be doing away with this bundle. Yeah, just not so much liking these colors. Okay. I don't know. Here I go to blowing again. I don't know, people. Don't like them. If Granny was in here, she would be liking them. I'm sure. Could be wrong. Yeah, I think it's just, here she comes. Let's see. I'm not so much digging it. Not digging these, Mama. Not digging them. These colors don't mix well. They look muddy and yucky. There's the first one, and I had to draw lines through it. And then here's this one.
Well, that one looks okay, but that one don't look
They
good.
don't know. Yeah, well, I drew lines through it. Now my paint's maybe too thin.
You look like you need more pink in it,
I just don't like these colors.
don't you?
I don't think I think it's ugly.
Well, put something else other color in there then.
I mean, do you like them, really? The gray and that silver color, it just made it all brownish looking. I just don't like them.
Well,
I think I should rinse them off and start over.
Go ahead. If you don't like
I mean,
it.
that one's not bad, but I don't know.
That one's kind of pretty.
I don't know. They're just, well,
If you don't like them.
I don't know. Now maybe they're too thin.
That's got a lot more brown in it than this other one.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
I don't either.
Rinse them off.
Yeah. I'm thinking there might be too thin now, the paints.
I think you needed some yellow or something in there with your greens. Or gold or something.
I don't know. I'm going to do purple, green, and blue. Or, I don't know what I'm going to do. I got to figure something out.
I went outside and smoked.
Okay, well, yeah, because see, when it all mixed together, it was nasty
Yeah.
looking.
I don't know, that one color that I said would look pretty on the birdhouse was quite a bit the color like
Of the other one, yeah.
that you painted. I was thinking that
Oh, it's still recording.
I was thinking I was going to